Hello viewers, today I show you this serum cream and serum face and body cream. This topifram gel and topifram cream 30 gram. These two cream actually to work. This cream work on the face, and this one jelly work for the body. So if you need mix and uses like serum cream, you like use serum cream for your hand and face. So this is very best cream, and this is very effective. This cream already our customer use and recommend is very good. So if you need to serum cream, so use this two cream. These two cream available in whitepluscream.com, and you can I show you the cream now. I show you the cream is the original available is from Italy, and this cream now see, and this one have to description in for the cream of cream. This one see close, and if you need to anytime this one buy is duplicate is open under open, and duplicate is not come to the original color. See their original color, pink color. Be careful you buy. You need to original buy only original available whitepluscream.com. So I show you the gel. This gel original, see this one, they are shining silver. Is must be have original shining silver to both of for cream and gel. So I have both of two under both of have to their description in the cream English and Spanish. If you need to the this one buy, you have two description English and Spanish. So it's very easy for you and very easy you understand. So if this cream original only available whitepluscream.com. So if you have any question, if you have any solution serum cream, if you need to serum cream, so please comment here and contact me. I show you very good serum cream, and I have more serum cream. So if you need to, for example, for your body, what is the your plan, so you can share me. I give you good information and good cream. Thank you.